What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to be reacting to some of the Wall Street Bets subreddit posts, some of the biggest winners and losers. Check it out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video here. Now, if you don't know, Wall Street Bets is a subreddit at reddit.com. This thing it's crazy. It's got 1.8 million users or members on it, and it's constantly just an influx of craziness, like huge option bets, huge stock gambles. It's just crazy. It's like the wild, wild west. It's like StockTwit, but way crazier, okay? So there's a lot of posts on here. Some of them, you can find some informational ones in there, but there's a whole lot of stuff that's pretty entertaining because it's pretty gambling. Like, it's pretty wild. So we're going to go ahead and jump in here, and I'm going to show you some of the craziest ones I've seen here recently, and some of the ones that's like, wow, I wish I was in that one, right? So check these out. Before we do me a quick favor, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Now, let's go ahead and jump right on into this here. One of the very first ones we're going to check out here is this PLTR one. This one right here is pretty interesting. This person, all right, where's the user? Posted by here, you see it there. PLTR, okay, they got 4,162 and some fractional shares at an average cost of $26.70. And they're currently down $6,269, just 5.64% on this position. Now, I don't know whether or not this person is a long-term investor or if they're just, day trading or swing trading this short term. But PLTR, I think it's very promising. However, this one right here is down $6,000 on the day. That's pretty nasty. Their position, though, the market value is $104,000. So I guess it's safe to say they got some money to spend, right? Now let's go ahead and move on to the next one here. This one right here, 5K to 100K. Then he said, "Thank you, Lord Musk." Right here, what do we have? Let's go ahead and put the full image on the page. This one comes from this user, Wonderful Throwaway, and their screenshot is of this Robinhood account. Robinhood, huh? Guess you are a risk taker, aren't you? So you got right here some calls. They got 8+ contracts. All right, so these expired. Well, today's the 9th, so these expired on 1/8. So they expired yesterday, Friday. He's up 2,110%. I mean, at that point, just exercise him. Wow, what a move! So the average cost of these were $5.93, and he sold them. I mean, well, he was in this position at the current price of $130. So he was in at $5.93, 8 contracts. Those 8 contracts are now valued at $130.95, putting him up or her up over $100,000 in profits. Guys, you know how they say, oh, I'm gonna just go buy like $100 worth of scratch-offs? I don't know. Sometimes I feel like $100 worth of some random option is better. You got a better percentage chance of maybe hitting one of those crazy out of the money ones. So this one right here, the break-even price was $755.92, and Tesla closed off on Friday on 1/8. It closed off. I want to say around 880. 860, 870, somewhere around that, if I remember correctly. I traded some calls into the close, so that one's definitely up there. That's a big win, guys. 2,000%. Golly, bro, that's huge. Let's take a. Oh, we had again another Tesla one. Oh, it's the same Tesla one. That was the user there. So let's check out another one here, and surprise, surprise, another Tesla. When Tesla is going insane throughout the week, okay, you can count on Wall Street Bets to just be a Tesla, like just a tape, just a Tesla, non-stop Tesla posts. And this one right here, we got One Man Strong. All right, this is the user, and they have an average cost of $6.95 on these actual shares, okay? The current price at the time of this screenshot that they took was $829 a share. What? Look at the percentage gain. I don't know how many, I mean, I had to do the math to figure out how many shares they have, but look at the percentage gain. 596,000% gain. That has to be the biggest percentage gain I've ever seen in my life. Ever. Ever. And we're talking about shares here. We're talking about shares. Wow, what a move. Like this guy had, and he just sold half. He says, I sold half my Tesla shares today. I bought my first shares in 2010, up 596,000%. Dude, that is intense. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. And that's a good sell. You sell half of that? Psh, nice job, man. Great work. Hey guys, before we move any further, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and comment in the comment section below. It really helps the channel out tremendously. Also, if you don't mind, check out the links in the description section. You have Webull, you download the app, you fund your account with $100, you get 4 free stocks currently. Okay, then you have the daytraderchatroom.com. You can join us there for $5 for 5 days and kind of test drive us. You're going to have access to the chat. You're going to have access to some of the courses. You're going to have access to some of the resources, live lessons every single day. So you might want to take advantage of that and check us out. See if you want to become a full member. That's one way to just check us out for $5 for 5 days. Also, if you're not into trading, but you're into investing and, you know, a little bit of dabbling in trading and you're not ready to commit to something like that, well, you can join my membership here in YouTube. For $4.99, you can join in every month. And I have videos and private mentorship sessions that I post up on YouTube with my members here. And all you gotta do is just click the little button down there that says join, or look at the comment section and you'll see the join link. You can click that and see which tier you prefer to you know, join up with. And you just pick that one. You also get a special little icon when you comment in the comment section of my videos. So go ahead and check those out. Let's see this one. This one looks funny, bro. I love these. These are like these little, like, just clips. So you got Tesla puts coming for Tesla. Let's click play here. See what user any Honeydew 4 has for us. Boom. I guess Papa Musk was teaching those bears a lesson. Let's see that again. You see here, let's wait, let's grab this cursor here. I can't control it, huh? That sucks. The Tesla puts, I'm gonna block it. Nope. Musk said, nah, I'm looking to be the richest man in the world. And that he is right now, guys. That he is. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Because I'm hoping the next one isn't about Tesla, to be honest with you. Oh boy, Tesla again. Look guys, I traded Tesla a whole ton in 2020. And I pretty much traded it almost every single day in the summertime. All my videos are on my channel here. But come on, is everything on Reddit Tesla this weekend? Tesla. Well, I guess if I was up 1,000% on Tesla, I'd be happy too, right? Tesla, 1,103% gain, never selling. I don't know why people say this, never selling. If you're never going to sell, like, what's the point? If you don't realize profit, then do you really have profit that you can do anything with? I mean, I understand never closing out the entire position if you're an investor, but if you... you know, if you're an investor, you're probably going to take some profits off along the way and pay yourself and just leave enough so that it continues growing, right? I mean, I think that's the whole purpose behind investing. Anyways, 2,180 shares at an average cost of $72. And this person is up 1,100%. $1.7 million in unrealized returns. Dude. I mean, look, I'm going to be straight shooter with you. I'd probably at least sell $1 million worth. I would. I'd sell at least $1 million worth. And then, you know, whatever, pay my capital gains on those million and then use the rest to diversify investments. Probably a little real estate, pay off any debt for sure. In my case, I just pay off the house and add a couple more rentals to my portfolio. And then, you know, just invest the rest and then just leave the rest in Tesla so that it would continue growing as the company grows. But that's massive. 1,000% gain. I mean, the other one was 500 and what was it, 580,000% or something crazy. This is insane too. The dollar amount here is bigger because this person has 2,180 shares. That's a lot of shares at $72 average. So it's not like this was a small investment. This is a big investment right out of the gates, but you're up 1,000%, 1.7 million. I'm guessing this type of person doesn't really need to take any of this money off the table right now. But even then, I take a little bit off at least. But hey, that's just me. Let's find out. Oof, here's a loss. Here's a loss. So let's see. Wall Street Bets posted by you, Talk Car. Do I just sell and keep what I can or hope? Oof. Anytime you see somebody talking about investing and the word trading and using the word hope, that's usually a sign that they have no idea what they're doing. Okay, so what can I... Okay. Do I just sell and keep what I can or hope it goes up at least a little more? That's already not starting off real good. Let's see what this guy has. So we got MT. We have 1,263 contracts. What's the average price that you have? 31 cents. Good Lord. And the current price on those contracts is 3 cents. You're down 90%. $35,000 in the red. Golly, that's gotta hurt. Bro, that hurts. Down 90%. This is why, oh my God. This is why you have to be informed. You can't just open up a broker, you know, on your phone here, boom, 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 and then swipe and just throw money around without knowing what you're doing. You just lose 90%, especially in options. Like that. Like that. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much at all to lose on options. Not at all. So this guy's down 90% and he's asking whether or not, or she's asking whether or not they should hold, they should sell what they have and just lock in that remaining $3,000 in change that that they have in value. If those contracts even have any type of volume on them, because you could be in these options and not even be able to sell them. My God. This is why you have to get educated. You have to get educated in trading if you're going to be a trader. You have to be educated in investing if you're going to invest like in individual stocks. Look, if you don't want to educate yourself in investing, it's not that complicated in a sense, right? You just buy an ETF. You buy an ETF. You buy an ETF, you buy a mutual fund, you go look at the Vanguard funds, and that's it. You're done. You just put money in there every single month, and in the long term, you should make money, right? That's the gist of it. But in this case, this guy just grabbed 1,263 contracts on this MT with a $30 call. These contracts expire next Friday, okay? And the share price is $23.17. You couldn't be any further out of the money. I mean, you could be, but it just hurts to see this, guys. Look, I'm sure a lot of these right here, all these huge winners, are some of them are gambles, huge gambles potentially, right? Huge gambles, $100,000 right here made 2,000%. I'm sure a lot of these are big gambles, and a lot of these, right? What happens is they just keep gambling, and then sooner or later they end up here, and then they lose 33% of their winnings, and then they do another one and they lose another 33%, and before they know it, they went from being up $100,000, right, to being down, $25,000 from their portfolio from the beginning balance. That's terrible. If you gambled your way to $100,000 and you have debt, I mean, in my opinion, I would be looking at just cash out of all that, liquidate some of that debt, and then you take a few $1,000 and learning how to do this properly and then getting it done. Guys, some of these are really extreme. Let me know if you've seen any bigger ones. I'm sure I have. I know that the last video we had some huge losses. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can dig some of those up for you, and I'll put them up on the next video. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.